Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing this channel to stay updated on each new book coming to this world. In case you like and want to buy this book, the link is given in the description below. Now enjoy the summary. Wintering is a poignant and comforting meditation on the fallow periods of life, times when we must retreat to care for and repair ourselves. Katherine May thoughtfully shows us how to come through these times with the wisdom of knowing that, like the seasons, our winters and summers are the ebb and flow of life. I count myself extremely blessed to have gained access to an early copy of Katherine May's Wintering. Not only is it a very beautiful book, I found reading it an incredibly healing experience. So relatable, honest and authentic, and it resonated with me on a very deep level. I enjoyed the gorgeous prose, the poignancy of personal story, as well as the interesting nature aspects. Having endured periods of wintering myself, I feel this book has presented me with a fresh perspective and some new tools to take back in with me when it next returns. It's left me feeling inspired and comforted in equal measure, and definitely less alone. I will be turning to this book again and again, and I just know that almost anyone who reads Wintering will find some comfort, healing and inspiration. Reading this actually made my Christmas.